about Chariots of Fire? How about Chariots of Fire? You got a copy on this Southern California? You got a copy on this 131. SoCal, trying to break a breaker.
Mustang, snake in the grass, aloha.
Right at form, Mr. Snake in the Grass. Welcome to the weekend.
Snake on that, my brother. Mustang 131, snake in the mini grass, we out. Aloha.
Right at form, Mr. Snake in the Grass. Happy Easter weekend. Happy Good Friday. Sounding good. Out here in the Mojave Desert. No pain, no strain. Worldwide 131. Mustang radio show in the desert getting down.
Hey, Mustang, 88 came up in there, and he told me to tell you something, but I couldn't quite pull it out. Take care, Mustang, bye, 88, snake in the grass, we out.
Rider 4 on that duck. 10 Rider 4 on that duck. He just keeps on quacking. If he quacks long enough, he makes a lot of noise, man. And sometimes, it ain't very pretty what falls from the sky.
I couldn't hear him that time, Mustang. I couldn't hear him that time. I don't know if he even keyed up. Take care, Mustang. Bye, 88. Snake in the grass. Aloha.
Roger 4. Snake in the grass. Sounding good. Out in the Mojave Desert. Worldwide 131. SoCal. Getting down. Breaker, breaker.
911. My Mustang, SoCal, snake, downtown Honolulu, we out. Oh, Mustang, just having fun, you know that.
Roger. 10 Rider 4, man. Welcome to the weekend. What's going on, Duck?
Hey, you should have been out here earlier. Man, it was back east, skipped everywhere. I had to hammer down in Alabama. My friend out there lives out there in the Mississippi, Alabama, and they were fun.
Hi, Joe. Yeah, I was out there a little bit around 2 o'clock. And, yeah, I was making a lot of contacts, having a good old time. I was out there for about 40 minutes. But, it's pretty cool now because I've got everything live on the internet, so it's just like, I've been listening all day long, man. Whenever I get a chance, it's always in my pocket. You know, I can hear what the hell is rolling, so it's pretty sweet.
Hey, cool. That's cool. You know, I don't have that kind of power. I didn't get home till 6:30, but I got up and fired up. And my friend was out there. He's on 22. He's in Mississippi. And I heard him saying, I just wish I had a decent meter because, you know, he doesn't read well and this and that. You know, he's out there kind of whining to his neighbor. And I just keyed up and just got right in there. That was fun because he's my friend.
Roger 4. Actually, I could probably kick this down just a notch or two, huh? Audio. Yeah, it was fun out today. I didn't have all that much opportunity. I did, it was Good Friday, so, I did have opportunity there to book out a little early, but I ended up working from home. But it was quit this mud ducking on this channel, dude. Dog, I guess I'll be hearing you on the channel. Breaker, breaker.
No problem. Yeah, I just talked to Squid down here a minute ago. I had it all fired up. And the locals are up on 12, just having fun. Talking to you later, Mustang. I gotta get another beer.
Hey, talking to no 88. You're talking to 131. You're talking to 131. Come on.
You stood up in Buffalo, New Zealand. Damn. World War Super Squid land down.
How about that, Mr. Super Squid? What about that, Mr. Super Squid? 131 in the desert. Worldwide 131. Southern California trying to get down. Breaker, breaker.
131, you smoking, Maurice. 131, 181. 131, aloha. We come to you, 141. You're just going to get down.
Who do we got out down on way down under? Who's that way down under? See if I can pull you out, man. It's rough, man. We got Hawaii rolling in. I got some locals coming in. I got a whole lot of noise rolling in. Kick it on back. You got 131 Mojave Desert, Southern California. Getting down. Breaker.
I was 31 on Friday again, and man, I was thinking you can get a perfect match between Super Speed. I was train, Super Speed, beautiful girl, Melbourne, Australia. 181 was trying to get right. 181 trying to get right. 188, Falcon, 181. You have a good Easter, my friend. I don't know.
Hey, Super Squid, I do appreciate that bump down. Hey, Super Squid, I tell you, it's rough, it's tough, and everybody's diving on into the Super Bowl, but that's just a part of the game, huh? That's a part of the game, but you made it clear, my duck plug and receive. Hey, Super Squid, sounded good out here in the Mojave Desert, but I think you probably knew that. Worldwide 131 Mustang Radio Show, getting down, breaker. Fell a few flowers and they can't pick a nick. They may check them out a little bit there, man, and shut their muddy mouth. Squid, Super Squid, sound moving these great big. I'll see you. Out of four, Mr. Super Squid, do appreciate that bump down. Hey, Mr. Super Squid, certainly appreciate that bump down. Sounded good. Round this Mojave Desert, Southern California, on this beautiful Good Friday. 73, my friend. Worldwide 131, getting down with my little Dave Maid. Breaker. Yeah, man, you just jump that like a jump in a box. In the grade, your friend with the used to run is getting down. Alright, Super Squid, we'll talk at you later. Ain't no 88. It ain't gonna be happening, breaker. California, we're back on the side. Appreciate the way. Can't be a better long time than now. I've seen a video about you posting on YouTube that big brother did not know shit. Man. That's what I can. I get about that. Take care, boss. Appreciate the way, man. Like that, you got it fine. Beautiful in the grades of these high speed crews and these big blue hooders right by. Was keying down loud, keying down proud, and modulating with a whole lot of audio in a nice style. Worldwide 131. Giving you a little FM sound, rolling out your CB speaker from beautiful Southern California. Breaker. Super Squid Australia's on these regular miles. Hey, Super Squid, definitely kicking some duck plucking butt out here, man. You're sounding smooth, you're sounding loud, you're sounding proud of my receive. And if you got a computer, you go to Ustream, man, you're going to hear it. You could hear it in real time over the duck plucking internet, how good you're sounding out here in Southern California. Mr. Super Squid going to hand it back to you and quit this mud ducking here on the ball. Worldwide 131 with his new technology getting down. Breaker. That's like a Mario fan. It's good to see you coming out there doing it by myself. 131. Bulldozer driving. 131. Bulldozer station. Hey, Mr. Bulldozer. Hello there, Mr. Bulldozer, man. You just eased right in there over Super Squid. Hey, Bulldozer, your audio just eased on into my receive right over Super Squid. Hello, Mr. Bulldozer, sounding good in the Mojave Desert. 131 waving breaker.
Check on that 131 right your way, and I heard someone around the northwest corner as well. Just bump this thing down, your Bulldozer station right there.
I appreciate it, Mr. Bulldozer. Hey, Bulldozer. Bulldozers, do appreciate that little bump down here on my radio station. Sounded real smooth in my headphones. You got that good sound and modulation. You got some good sound and audio rolling through my headphones, and I appreciate that because I got this thing on hi-fi, 8 kilocycles wide, and I got the good headphones rolling through. So I'm hearing your fine fidelity bouncing over that water. Hey, Mr. Bulldozer, you take care. Enjoy the weekend. Worldwide 131 with that Easter wave. Breaker.
Right there, 131 with the Easter wave right back from the land down under, mate. I just want to say a quick hello. I've got to get out the way. I'm just on my lunch break now. 131, you're doing your thing up at Dave Technology. Bulldozer right there, right now is back quiet.
Bulldozer 181 trying to wave. Bulldozer, and Mark. We're waving back too.
Yeah, quick wave right back, 88 around the Mojave. I don't know where the guys went around from the northwest corner. I will say hello one more time. Hello, 88 in the Mojave. Bulldozer on my lunch break. Got down.
Alright, Bulldozer, thanks for the bump back.
Am I at least making it over that mud duck? Hey, Bulldozer, am I making it over that duck breaker?
Bulldozers.
Rider for Mr. Bulldozer. Hey, Roger here, Bulldozer. I just wanted to make sure. I wanted to see if this little transmitter in the desert was making sure I'm getting on out. I just had to verify this little transmitter getting down. 131. Breaker.
131, if you got a station rolling in there with you, a little bit of mini grass coming in too. So I'm going to just ease on out the way. On lunch break, I've got all chicken grease on my fingers, so I'm quiet eating my lunch. And you have a good day, 131, all the gang. Is the station. My lunch break, quickly.
Rider 4, Mr. Bulldozer, enjoy your lunch. Hey, Rider 4, enjoy that lunch, man, with a little long distance DX. Rolling through your receive. 131 Mojave Desert, Southern California, getting down with his linear Dave made technology, and I'm gone. Breaker.
131, where you getting down, that's for doggone sure. Falcon 181, Bulldozer 181, Bulldozer 181, aloha. Don't get bad, 131.
Hey, hallelujah, I got a copy on you. Hey, hallelujah, I do got a copy on you. A little rough, a little tough on that one. Little rough, Mother Nature isn't working all that hot. But I do got a copy on it. Kick it on back. 131 SoCal.
Roger that, 131. I got it on, 131. Copy on this shit. Hey, yeah, top of the evening, 131. Alright, Honolulu, we out.
I got 42 right on. Yeah, I'm sorry I didn't get your numbers that time. Hallelujah, I'm sorry I didn't get your numbers. Mother Nature just splattered you right out at the last fucking second. Try that one more time so I can get you down my book. 131 in the desert trying. Breaker.
155. The Mobile, downtown Honolulu. Evening time, 155. Honolulu, we out.
42 right on 155. Hey, 155, I heard it all, you said it all, and I got you down in the book. 155 in the mini grass. No pain, no strain. Hope you're enjoying that weekend. You made it clear and made it loud that time around. Your radio station and Mother Nature are certainly working together. You take care, my friend. Enjoy your weekend. Worldwide 131, High Desert, SoCal. And I'm gone.
Back eating some chicken.
131, 131, number 2. 131, number 2.
Hey, number 2, kick it on back. You got operator 131 in the desert.
Number 131,
happy Good Friday to you. Happy Good Friday to you, and certainly have a happy Easter here. Easter Sunday, right around the corner. You and the fine family. You take care. Number 2, Worldwide 131. Have a nice day. Break up.
Getting back all at the same time. Sort of heard this. Down here at this kind of time, there's a lot of stations. Right, Bulldozer? Stations are there. Okay.
Off the back side, have a good day. Breaker Channel 6 from Mustang.
Yeah, go ahead.
Hey Mustang, this is Crazy Al. Hey, if you're interested, New Zealand's coming in on the lower side of 38.